Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make churros without oil. This easy method allows you to enjoy a classic treat with fewer calories and less mess. We will use common pantry staples to create a delightful dessert. Get ready to learn a simple, healthier alternative to traditional fried churros. This recipe is perfect for anyone looking for a guilt-free indulgence, offering a crispy exterior and soft interior. To begin, combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and a small pinch of salt in a saucepan. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until a cohesive dough ball forms and pulls away from the sides of the pan. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once ready, carefully transfer the warm dough into a piping bag equipped with a star-shaped nozzle, preparing it for the next step. Now, pipe your churro shapes onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Aim for lengths of about 4 to 6 inches, leaving a little space between each one. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the churros for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a wonderfully crisp texture. This baking method ensures a perfectly cooked churro without any added oil. Once your churros are out of the oven and still warm, roll them generously in a mixture of cinnamon and granulated sugar. This adds that classic sweet and spicy coating we all love. Serve these delightful oil-free churros immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a rich chocolate or caramel. Enjoy this healthier, yet incredibly satisfying, version of a beloved dessert, perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.